G'day, it's Colin from Worth. Today I've got the Worth electronic hot air blower. The hot air blower has a temperature range of between 50 degrees Celsius and 650 degrees Celsius. On the back of the gun here is all the programmable buttons so you can preset your temperatures. Let's have a look how they work. Firstly, we turn the gun on. These buttons in the middle are fan control speeds, high and low. Over here is our preset button. We can go between the temperature settings. We can also increase our temperature settings here or decrease here. And this button is for our presets. So once we get to a temperature we want to achieve, we can hold that button down and it will set that temperature until we change it. Let's now see what sort of things we can do with the hot air blower. The hot air blower can be used to strip paint off timber and metal surfaces. It can be used on shrink wrap and electrician's heat shrink. It's very handy for removing stickers and it'll help you bend plastic pipes. So what's in the box? Of course, we have our hot air blower. Then it comes with a series of attachments. This attachment here is for doing up against glass so you don't make the glass hot when you're stripping paint. Then we have a curved attachment. This is for pipe bending, your plastic pipes. We have a general purpose fan nozzle as well. And then the last nozzle is for plastic welding. And of course it comes with a scraper. So that's the hot air blower, perfect for the home or the workshop. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like our page and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.